Assalamu alaikum everyone. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. My name is Khadijah and I am 11 years old, and today I'm going to make a tres leches cake for a surprise for my mother. These are the ingredients you will need. This is what we use to decorate our cake. First, I separated the egg whites and the egg yolks to two different bowls. Then I added 3/4 cup of sugar to the egg yolks. Then I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/3 cup of milk. And then I buttered a casserole dish. After that, I beated the egg whites. Then you're just going to add the other 1/4 cup of sugar to the egg whites. Then I mix the baking soda, flour, and salt together. And then I sieved it onto another bowl. I mixed all these three mixtures together. This is how it looks completed. I poured it into the casserole dish. Then put your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we wait. Yay, it's done. Now let's take it out of the oven. And then I poked it with a fork. This will help for the mixture to go inside of the cake. Then I mixed together heavy whipping cream and vanilla extract and a little bit of sugar to make the frosting. To make the filling, I mixed in heavy whipping cream, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. Make sure you get all the corners. Now let's add the frosting. Shamsul Hasan wanted to help us decorate the cake. Strawberries around the cake. Also added a little bit in the middle. And we added sprinkles and pineapples. Then we added the crushed almonds all around the cake. Here's how the cake looks all finished and done. Assalamualaikum guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye.